Right, going to put the goal of our mats into one of our pup sluices. We've got this one here, which is, you sort of got fine, like smaller ripples, fine ripples. And you got the other one, it's got the larger ripples there. Turn it up the other way, different ones there. See, so when you buy one of these mats, you get 2 for 1. So these are all, I've already cut these to go in there. This is just to show you how they go together. We have the aluminium angle that joins 2 mats, and that one, your other ripple there goes up inside there. Alright, so what we're going to do is, like I say, I've already cut those to all match there. We're just going to sort of work out, I might use that side there, which is that there. I'll use that one first. We'll swap that one around and use that one there. So that's just the other side of that, turned upside down. And we've got these ones here, so I might put that one in there. And then we'll put this one at the end. This isn't the way I'm going to use it in the machine, it's just just trying to show you how it all goes together. So we lay all that out there like that. We've cut all these to fit. There's one there, one there, one there. Cut these ones to fit as well. So we've got, we'll just put them to the side there, then over there, one there, one there, one there. Now, when you put them in, that's the way they go, but if you wanted a reverse ripple, just reverse it around. Alright, so what we do first, we'll just get here and you just slot that in there like that. Oh, if I can do it. Hold on, let's go the other way. Alright, that's going to make it easier. That one up there. And if you're out in the field, you can do this just as fast. Get another one up there. Showing you very easy, very fast. Once you get the hang of it, you'll even get these on even faster. So we've got those mats there. I just turn it up like that. Get all straight. Now what we'll do is we'll put these ones in like this. So they just slot in when I get it right. Slot in there. Now you just push that straight across. Like I said, if you want a reverse ripple, you can just slide that in that way. But we'll put them all the one way. Oh. Now if you want to, you can also get a square nut, a bolt, you can slide that in there and you can make your own ripples. You don't have to use those, you can make an aluminium ripple, wooden ripple, a rubber ripple, whatever you want. Anyway, we'll put this one in here. So they're all in there. I just get it there, tap it down, nice and flat, and there's that profile there. If you wanted to, you could do it the opposite way around. Anyway, now I don't worry about fixing them because I'm taking them in and out, changing them all the time. But if you want to fix these so they don't move while you're adjusting them, just get a screw, not as long as that, a little bit shorter, and just thread that straight into the center of that, and then that will help clamp that down. You do it on both sides. Now, I've got that already there. You've got the pup sluice here. What I've done, I've made just a little grab for it, which will go over the top of that round one there. So what I do is bring that down here like this, turn it around a bit, slide that down, it just goes over the top of that. Where are we? That's down, push that down like that. It's all set up. Get your wing nuts back here, tighten them up. You don't want to over tighten, just finger tight. Otherwise, you just waste your time. But that's it. There it is. All ready to go. There's your pup sluice with the gold owl matting. Now, if you wanted to just quickly, and then when I pull it out, I just pull it to the side like that, under the wing nuts, pop it out, and you can just roll it up if you want to. Always put a pan at the end there. Now to change this over, say I decide, well, that's not the way I wanted to go, just pull that out there, pull that out there, swap that around there if we can get it. So it's gone in there nice and tight. Put that back in, and there we go. We've got another profile already. And you just push that down. When you cut them, make sure you cut them so they fit nice and snug in there. All right. Any questions? Just email us, text me or message me or something, and we'll see what we can do. Help you out. Righto. Catch you later.